welcome to Curry TV. Today we'll be making egg roast, our version of egg roast. Let's take a look what all the ingredients we need. So let's take a look at all the ingredients that we'll be using. I have 1.5 onions. It's okay if you use 2. The more the merrier. You'll have a thicker gravy, that's all. I have a steak-sized tomato, 6 eggs. Our family members are 6 of them, so we need to have 1 for each. Curry leaves as desired. For garnishing, I'll be using cilantro. For spices, we'll be using coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, salt to taste, mustard, turmeric powder, small piece of ginger, 3 garlic, and coconut oil for frying. Our family enjoys coconut oil versus anything else, so I'm using coconut oil here. You can substitute this with vegetable oil or canola oil, whichever you prefer. Couple generous amount of oil. It's cold here, that's why the oil is kind of. In goes the mustard. That's about 1/4 teaspoon. Shield. Beauty first, right? Roast the curry leaf. Okay, it started to brown up. Putting in our garlic. That's 3 cloves. A small piece of ginger. This is a great complimentary side dish that goes well with appam, bread, chapathi, roti, parotta, you name it, you can have it. You can also simply have it with rice. 1 big teaspoon of coriander powder. This will give that smoky flavor. 2 spoonfuls of red chili powder. Half of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm lowering the heat, just getting that spices all coated well. Adding in our tomato. That's a steak-sized tomato, 1. Let's lower the heat and let tomato do its magic. Let's check. Okay, I'm going to be adding in, I did not mention this earlier, I'm going to be adding in about 1/2 cup water. Turning our heat to medium-high. Let's cover and cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Let's give it a mix. Please check your salt level. Add if more needed. Look at that. It's very thick. I like mine a little bit more roasted and with gravy. So I'm going to pour another 1/2 cup. So a total of 1 cup of water. It should be ready in about a minute. If right this stage, if you add the egg, you'll taste too watery, plain water. You don't want that. You want that rich flavor to incorporate all into that egg, all the eggs. So this is what I have done with the egg. I've made few slashes on it, so it's not all the way cut. but the flavor is going to get in there, and it adds a design, I guess. So it goes in 6 eggs. If you don't want to make all 6 eggs, please reduce the ingredients according to your taste. Give it a good mix. You know the best combination is this egg curry with parotta. Alright, let's check on our eggs. Egg roast is ready. Okay, look at that. Turning up the heat. Adding our final garnishment. Cilantro. That's our egg roast, spicy egg roast. I haven't added any green chilies or black pepper. It's all red chili powder, so that gives that rich red look. If you don't want it that spicy, please lower the spice level to 1 tablespoon of the red chili powder. I've used 2. I like it spicy, and this is a great combination with parotta, bread, appam, or rice. So let me know, try it out. Let me know how it came out, and I'd love to hear from you guys. So please do subscribe to our channel, comment, share with your family and friends. Stay tuned for more videos on Curry TV.